This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to talk about tire pressure, when to increase your tire pressure and when to reduce it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Let me show you this webcam here. Whenever you're going to pump your tire or a organizer is pumping a tire, it's supposed to check the tire pressure for you, when to increase it and when to reduce it. Yes, so let's check this one. You can see here around the tire, this is it. You can see here it says maximum load. See the maximum load. You have the maximum load here, and then you have the 300 kPa here, and maximum load is you have 1120 kg. That's the 2469 bars IBS, and then have the 44 psi maximum pressure. So if we're going to pump the tire, if the load is supposed to be 44 psi for according to this tire, and then this tire is what, room 17. You can see that is room 17, right? So according to this tire is 44 psi when a maximum load is, but when it's not, there's no load, it's supposed to reduce the 44. Yes, because of depend according to the speed that you want to go. If there's no load and you want to speed up, drive a car in a top speed, it's supposed to reduce that 44 to 30 or 35. Yes, some people reduce it to 29.5, but you can reduce to 30 or 35 if there's no load. If there's load inside a car, then it's supposed to be 44 because of the load. That's the maximum pressure. Yes, that's the maximum pressure for this. So this is what you're supposed to do when you are supposed to check. Yes, right, you're supposed to check when every time I want to pump your tire, your car tire. This room 17 is 44 psi. So you have to check around the tire before you pump the tire. You're supposed, because this one, if organizer didn't check, you pump the tire, you increase the pressure to 45 psi. It's not supposed to be so, because according to this car manufacturer, it says 44, but some people increase to 45 psi, and then their maximum level is 45 psi, which is not so. You're supposed to know the tire maximum tire pressure about the tire edges, tire circumference before you tend to pump the tire. So this is a quick garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then share, like.